Hello everyone, this is Etsy Shadow, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate that how you can perform Linux privilege escalation by abusing the LD preload environment variable along with sudo. So to do that, first you need to know some basics. First, how you can detect that. First you need to type command sudo-l in your terminal and it will show output like this. And if you have environment variable intact as LD preload and all these things are available here, then we are good to go. So since we have it available in environment variable, so we can perform the exploitation. So what is LD preload? So LD preload is a type of environment variable which stores shared libraries. So to exploit this kind of vulnerability, all we need to do is compile a C file. Here is the code for the C file. I'll also provide the code in description so you can copy paste that. All you need to do is copy this code and now create a C file here. Let me go to temp and let me create a file called exploit.c. okay, let me paste the content that we have just copied. So here is the code that we are going to use. Now we will save this file and let's see if the file is saved or not. So yeah, file is here, and now we need to compile this C file in order for it to work. So now all you need to do is compile it with this command. I will provide you this command in the description so you can also copy this. So what we are doing is we are simply using the GCC utility and we are compiling our exploit.c and then importing the output to exploit.so file so that it could be used as a binary. Now as soon as we hit enter, we get the output, and let's check if a file is created or not. lsla exploit.so. so yeah, file is now available for us. Now all you need to do is pick any of the command from the list. So let's say I want to use the command iftop, or say I want to use man. Okay, so let's try to use man command. So all you need to do is type sudo, then you need to type ld preload equals to, then location of this exploit, that is this temp exploit.so, and then you need to type name of the binary that we selected to run from this list. So here I am going with man. So as soon as I hit enter, it gives us root shell. Let's check it. Who am I? We are root, id root. You can say exit here. So no matter what command is available to run as sudo with root privileges, you can use just any of them. For example, let's try with something different like ftp. This works in the same way. Let's try with something, hold on, let's take some more examples. Let me copy this. Let me exit. Yeah, so now let's try it with nmap. So we again got the root shell. So this is an easy method and it works all the time. You don't need to do any extra efforts, just simply follow the instructions. So that is it for the video. I hope you have learned something new from the video. So thanks for watching.